Hey everyone, it's Tammy, and today I want to show you a yarn kit that I got from Biscotte yarns, and it came in this really cute box. It's really cute, and you open it up and look at these beautiful colors. Oh my. So there's all these different colors. I don't even know the names of them, but they are beautiful. This is called the Quarantine Special Kit, and this is Biscotte's shawl knitting game that is played with dice. Okay, so this is, well, cozy. I don't know if these are the right color. It says it comes with cozy, betterave, I don't know, sweet dreams, and then 2 limited editions. So I don't know which ones are which, but this is it, and it came with the instructions. And the thing that makes this really cool is that it came with dice, and then it also came with these little labels that I will use to label the ball yarn. And it came with instructions, and it also came with what it will look like. So it's going to look something similar to that. Let's see if there's another picture. There it is. And what you do is you roll one of the dice to tell you what color you're going to use next, and then you use the other die to roll, and it will tell you what which stitch you're going to use. So you don't know which colorway or which stitch you're going to have to use until you've rolled the dice, and then you've done that section, and then you go to the next one and you have to roll again. And I think it's just going to be fun. It's a great idea. So I'm excited about that. And they had a couple kits, so you might check them out, because there was this one and then there was one more, I know. And they might have more now. I'm not exactly sure, but I need to get these caked up so that I can try it. But this is the, what did they call this again? The Quarantine Special Kit. So I hope that you guys check it out. I just went to biscotteyarns.com, I believe, but check them out. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.